So guys, finally I have upgraded, from this to this. Yeah, you heard that right, I've upgraded my motherboard and a lot of components in my PC. So if you can see the old upgrade, which is last 2022, that's a pandemic build. As you can see, this Asus is the one that I use. Okay, so why did I switch into GIGABYTE? Simple. It is ultra durable, you know what I mean here. And take a look at that. When you just say DS3H, it is the 4 RAM slots we have here. Very durable, very fast, and yeah, take a look at that.
So here we start now. The PC building, take a look at that. The motherboard so clean and fresh, and we thank you GIGABYTE for making this happen. And truthfully, hard work pays off. And now we gently install the CPU, nice and clean. And the CPU is the only thing that remained, which is the pandemic build before. That's the CPU, the Ryzen 5. That's the only one that's still remaining, not to be upgraded yet because it's still reliable. And next was the satisfying part in installing the RAM. I know I took enough time for this, but it's still satisfying. And here we are applying some thermal paste in a diabolical way, and which is a bit sus, but it is going to be effective, trust me. As you can see, this is going to be my first time in building or upgrading a PC, since I rely on some PC shops in modifying my PC, but here will be the tricky part in which I will fully assemble the components. And here we are in the wiring, the toughest part, the cable management, but luckily the PC case is large enough to fit all the cables. Okay, for the moment of truth guys, here we are now testing if it's going to work, the power testing. And I'm going to keep on praying for Omnisaya. If you know that, any Warhammer fans there, Omnisaya is the god of the machines. I'm praying to him for the machine to start, and it really does. Let us see if there is some display, but wait, that is kinda odd. There's something off here. It is taking too long to display. Okay, here we are. We're going somewhere. It's happening.
Okay, so everything is already decent here, and take a look at that. Let us see if this can runs Ghost of Tsushima, smoothly, and I bet it will. Sheesh, man, take a look at that. It really runs Ghost of Tsushima. It really runs smoothly. Take a look at that. It's like I'm playing on the PlayStation 4 or 5, something like that. Take a look at the graphics. I love it. Despite that it is on medium graphics, take a look at this. Despite that it is on medium graphics, it still has a better quality.
146 minutes later.
Following clips are some game testings, okay? Here we go.
Tell the others. cutlass was growing rusty.
So what happened to him? And Trish? They end up like you?
Trish, she was captured. I remember that. But I don't know what happened to Dante.
Damn it.
You can't travel through here in a car.
Yeah, we know. We're just waiting on you. There's only one way up that tree. Hang on, I'll get ready.
Stop. Don't move. You're finished.
Those fuckers are hard to deal with up close, too.
Just let me in, please. Kill them first.
Something's breaking through the wall! Father, get out of there! Katista! Roger! Something in the trees over there.
There's what now?
Father, throw your axe at those trees on the other side of the bridge. The ones with the white trunks. Trust me just this once. Please. Tree with the white trunk and orange leaves. Right there on the other side of the bridge.
Levioso! Levioso! You're better than that!
Leviosa! It's also! Give him a fall!
Levioso!
It's also!
There you go, my way.
Hey there.
Then both forces attacked, one from either side.
Be gone! Leave me be, whoever you is! Get away!